Hello, Harvest here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems in your Revolut app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go up to the search bar, Revolut, here, and check if you have the newest version of the app. Like here, I need to update my app. After updating, there should be everything cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first thing, go up to the settings, go up to the apps, go up to seal the apps. Here, find your Revolut app. Here, permissions, and just allow them all, like here. All of them. Every single one. Go up to the Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues, but if you still got, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, should be everything cool. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.